Welcome to part 6 of our Oslo Walking Tour as the city slowly moves into dusk. We begin near the Oslo Opera House, one of the most iconic landmarks in Norway. This building rises directly from the water, inviting people to walk on its roof and enjoy open views of the fjord during winter. The Opera House feels even more special surrounded by soft Christmas lights and cool blue evening tones. The sky begins to change colors, reflecting on the water and creating a calm, peaceful atmosphere. This moment between day and night is one of the most beautiful times to experience Oslo, and today we capture it step by step as the city prepares for the evening. we continue walking through the Oslo Central area, the streets glow with festive decorations, lights shimmer on buildings, and reflections dance across glass and stone. The city feels alive, yet relaxed people stroll quietly, enjoying the holiday season, while the cold air adds a fresh crisp feeling to every breath. The combination of Christmas lights and dusk lighting transforms the surroundings into a cinematic scene. Modern architecture meets winter tradition, creating a perfect balance of energy and calm. This part of Oslo shows how the city blends culture, design, and seasonal beauty in a truly unique way. Now we move closer to the Oslo Fjord, where the city opens up into wide, peaceful views. The water stretches quietly beside us, reflecting Christmas lights and fading daylight. Everything feels slower here, more thoughtful, more magical. This is why walking in Oslo during winter evenings feels like a dream, captured entirely with the Insta360 GO Ultra. This walk lets you experience the atmosphere exactly as it all. Thank you for joining part 6 of this Oslo walking tour. If you enjoyed this walk, please like, share, and subscribe.